how to transfer Pi from Binance to Bybit wallet on PC. Now, officially, the Pi token is not listed yet on Binance, but in the future it may be listed. Now, I'll show you how to transfer it. Now, for this example, for this video, I will use the USDT for example. Now, all of the tokens have the same method to transfer it from the platform to another wallet. So, let's get started. Now, head over to your wallet and click on Spot. And now, from the top, as you can see, click on Withdraw. Now, in the search bar, just type your token name. In this case, it will be USDT. Now, click on your token. First of all, set the network as the BIP20 from here. Now open your Bybit wallet, but first make sure to install it on your browser and log into your account. Now to select the USDT, make sure to select the network first as a BNB chain, as you can see, because you selected here as the BIP20. Now go back and find your token. In this case, it will be USDT. Now to get to withdrawal address, you need to click on receive. Now copy the address from here and go back to your Binance account and paste it in the address box. After that, type how much you want to transfer, as you can see, and after that click on withdraw, and in about a few minutes to a few hours you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit wallet. So this is how to transfer Pi from Binance to Bybit wallet on PC. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.